So we already finished the functionality of adding sample data, swipe left, click, or swipe all the way to delete data, click, and navigate to a edit view to add the data. And yeah, so basically we don't need the sample data anymore. So we can I believe we got this like a click to add data button where yeah, add sample data. We don't need this. Okay, so I'm just commenting it out because we're going to add the add data. Okay, so add things. Okay, so basically I'm gonna write this, and basically the logic is just insert things. But before we do that, I already made some modifications, so I'm going to quickly go through it so you guys know what's going on. So first, I create a Things2Learn and private var. So basically that path will store all the path information, and yeah, so basically if you got like a lot of the navigation, they will store inside the state, so you won't get lost track of the thing that you did before. And yeah, on delete navigation, yeah, and here initialization, nothing really matters. It's just a toolbar. Okay, click to add sample data. I'm going to change it. Click to add new things. Okay, and then action add sample data. Instead of doing that, we're going to change it. Okay, I'm going to say add things. Okay, add things. And here add things model context insert. Yeah, insert. Insert what? Insert. We initialize Things2Learn. We insert that. Okay, so just call these things to learn and initialize it. Yeah, and of course we already saw the past, so past will equal to yeah, let me look at here. Should be things. Yeah, let me just add an immediate part. So let our thing equals to initialized by Things2Learn, and then insert that thing, and then the path can be the thing in the array. Okay, that should do it. And add things. Okay, so basically just replace the button of add sample data. Hopefully this can work, and finger crossed. So add new things. So we can like right now swipe all the thing, swipe until you can clear all things and add new things. Click, yeah. So this time I'm going to make it like a really high importance. I'm going to say yeah, long name and long description. Okay, just exit it. We'll automatically add it. Okay, that's pretty good. That's already pretty good. So basically you make it in new thing, and then I believe it's still there. Just yeah, I'm going to make a sorting algorithm that I can sort things out. Right, it's here. Click, right, it's here. Pretty good.